Well, if you are looking to reset your financial goals, save more money, and pay off that lingering debt, you might want to look around you. Your home may be a resource that could help you save some money on your mortgage and find the funds for those home improvement projects. Our sponsor, Hall Financial, may be able to help guide you through it all. We are joined right now by the CEO of Hall Financial, David Hall. Good morning.
Kim, how are you?
Great. So I am so excited to have some FaceTime with you because I have so many questions. So first of all, is it a good time to purchase a home, or should we be renting right now?
Well, I think it depends on what your goals are, but certainly it's been a very competitive time for buyers to try and find a home. And it doesn't look like there's any end in sight right now for home values to continue to appreciate. So I don't think waiting means you're going to get it cheaper. I think it's a lifestyle choice. I think if in the next 2-3 years you might be moving or relocating, maybe it is better to rent. But if you're looking to plant roots with low interest rates and a lot of demand right now, it's an interesting time to be a buyer. And certainly we've seen a lot of folks right now making offers on 4, 5, 6 homes and not getting them. So one of the things that I'm really counseling a lot of our clients is don't be surprised if you make an offer on a number of homes and don't get one, because it is so competitive, but it is really a good time to buy a house right now. And that's mainly fueled by very, very low fixed rate mortgages.
Yes, it is competitive out there. You got to be ready to just make an offer, and a big one too.
That's right.
Okay, so how could people get more money out of their home to save money or pay off some debt?
Well, the big statistic that came out earlier this year was that the average homeowner in 2020 gained over $20,000 in home equity because of appreciation in homes, and that's all over the U.S. In Michigan, it was actually a little bit more than that. So whether you want to pay for maybe a home improvement project or pay off some lingering debt, smart things you want to do with your money. You don't want to take out your money just to do whatever, but if you have goals of maybe putting in a new kitchen or a new bathroom or updating your home, people today, their view of their home is different than it was over a year ago because we're spending so much more time at home. I think people value home more than they did prior to the pandemic. And I think that that's going to continue in some way. So for those home improvement projects or any lingering debts that you're paying high interest on, it's a great way to utilize the home equity that's in your home to maybe take some cash out and pay off that debt or use it for your home improvement project, again, with a very low fixed interest rate.
Okay, so let me ask you this. If you wanted to do something like that, would you need a home appraisal, or is that something that you would have to do, and how much does that cost?
Yeah, so great question. When folks call in, depending on their exact profile, meaning their credit score, how much money they earn, how much money they have saved, right now at Hall Financial, over half of our refinances don't require an appraisal. But it completely depends on your situation, the amount of equity you have in your home, your credit score, and some other factors. So if you call us, for instance, and you were to inquire, there's a better than a 50-50 chance that you don't even need a home appraisal. And that's been due to some things going on in the industry and Hall Financial technology that has allowed us to get more homeowners in and out of the process quickly. Our claim to fame is that over half of our loans are ready to close in 10 business days or less, which is very quick. We overstaff our team by design to lead to all the 5-star reviews we have. So there's a good chance you won't need an appraisal.
Wow. Okay. Well, that's 10 days or less. That's amazing. Got to be quick, like we talked about earlier. So what kind of experience can your clients expect?
Well, like I said, we're about speed. And when I started in this business many years ago, the biggest thing I figured out is that if we can take the application in a complete way and get it done in 7, 10, 12 kind of days, then the consumer really feels like they had a great experience, because nobody really wants to spend a lot of time in the mortgage process. So some of these bigger institutions or banks that might take 45 or 60 days, that's just a very stressful time. And we try to cut that timeline down to cut down the amount of stress that somebody's going through. And because of the nature that we're a small company that specializes in service, we have over 3,000 5-star reviews now. It's just really exciting for us to be able to take somebody's application today and late next week be able to close it so that we get these wow experiences from the clients. That's what we're all about.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, David, for joining us, and really appreciate all of the advice that you gave us.
Thank you.
All right, well, to find out how much you could save on your mortgage, visit the website davidhallmortgage.com. Again, that's davidhallmortgage.com.